Everybody says so. This is a new normal. Valentine's Day.
I love it.
We can't stay here, Ellie. There's no life from here.
The crater.
The world is a dangerous place now.
There's gotta be another way.
You got this.
I got this. Sweet.
Stay where you are!
We got a runner!
Detective Christopher Raven. We live in a world where murderers walk free, in a justice system bogged down by red tape. If you commit a capital crime, you have 90 minutes to prove your innocence to an AI judge.
I'm going to be frank with you.
Welcome back, movie lovers. January 2026 is throwing 13 shockingly good movies straight at your screen, packed with breathtaking survival terror, AI-controlled worlds where no one is safe, brutal post-apocalyptic chaos.
It's too dangerous outside.
Be advised, we've got a radiation storm north of your location.
Do we think there's anywhere that's safe from all of this? We believe.
Stay here, Ellie. We didn't come all this way for this.
Okay, the Clark crater is our best bet.
How many fragments do you think are up there?
Mind-bending sci-fi thrillers, bone-chilling horror, high-octane action and crime drama with characters you will remember long after the credits roll. Just as these are the absolute must-watch at the start of 2026.
Who is that? Who are these guys?
Tell me what's fucking going on!
You think
I don't trust you right now, and that's a fucking problem!
AWTGG. What does it mean?
Killer Whale 2026.
Perfect escape. This is Josh. We are going to get through this.
Best friend Maddie and Trish escape to a private lagoon after a devastating tragedy, hoping for peace and renewal. What begins as a healing adventure quickly scales into terror when they encounter Tito, a vengeful killer whale scarred by years of captivity. Trapped in the remote waters, the woman must summon courage and resourcefulness to survive against nature's most relentless predator.
Killed a human in the wild. She thinks she's still trapped in captivity. We are going to get through this.
Friendship stretches and fear consumes them. Their fight becomes not only for survival but for redemption.
We are going to get through this.
People we met on vacation.
Are those condoms? I just want you to be safe, that's all. How many times do I have to tell you? Alex and I are just friends, so we don't need condoms. Please stop. Okay, Wanda?
How we gonna be just friends?
Come on, vacation, Alex. Is that the best you've got?
Poppy, you take vacations for a living. Make me blush.
I'm here. I'll always be here. What's that?
I'm just confused.
What am I to you?
Just
My best friend.
Free-spirited Poppy loves adventure, while Richard Alex prefers quiet night with a book. Despite their differences, they have been inseparable best friends for a decade, meeting every summer for one unforgettable vacation. But after one trip ends in heartbreak, they stop speaking. Years later, Poppy convinces Alex to join her once more, hoping to mend their bond.
A little lonely.
I'm here. I'll always be here.
I do not deserve you.
I know.
My best friend. The universe is giving me a sign.
That's a heck of a girl.
As laughter, awkward moments, and old feelings resurface, they must decide if friendship is enough or if love has always been waiting. Their journey proves that sometimes the people we meet can change our life forever. Moses the Black 2026.
You found me off my square. Do what you need to do. Secret.
Go and sit in your cell, and your cell will teach you everything.
Chicago gangster Malik rules the street with the power and fear, but his empire begins to crumble under rival threats and betrayal within his own crew. Haunted by violence and loss, Malik crosses paths with the story of Thutmose the Black, a 4th century saint who found redemption after a life of crime.
He murdered a lot of people, man. He was a soldier. I died by the sword. So you've been reading the Bible? And divine vengeance must be in our faith. At that time, how'd he become a saint? He had a change of heart. What did you pray for, Nana? To die. The guy's starting to mumble.
Inspired by this legacy, Malik faces a choice between destruction and transformation. As enemies close in, he must confront his past, his faith, and the possibility of change. In a city of shadows, his journey becomes one of survival, redemption, and hope. Primate 2026.
Bad.
Give me the phone. Try recent calls. Yes, it's ringing.
Need some help?
Send somebody.
911, what's your emergency?
Here, just send the police.
Ma'am?
A group of friends set off on a tropical vacation dreaming of sun, laughter, and escape, but paradise quickly turns into a nightmare when they stumble into a jungle ruled by primal terror. Strange sounds echo through the trees. Shadows move with predatory intent, and survival instincts replace carefree fun. As bonds are tested and fear consumes them, the friend must fight not only the deadly creature stalking them, but also the unraveling trust within their circle. What began as a holiday becomes a desperate struggle where only courage and unity can keep them alive. Return to Silent Hill 2026. Tormented artist Jen Sunderland is drawn back to the entire town of Silent Hill after receiving a mysterious letter from his lost love, Mary. Hoping for a reunion, he instead finds himself trapped in a fog-shrouded nightmare where reality twists into grotesque visions. Haunted by guilt and pursued by monstrous figures like Pyramid Head, James must confront the darkest corner of his mind. Each step through the cut street reveals painful truths, forcing him to face whether Mary is truly waiting or if Silent Hill Estate is a mirror of his broken soul. Feathering Heights 2026.
Where is he? Souls are made of. Isn't mine not the same?
I will not stand for that fiend. And you think it would stop me?
The windswept Yorkshire moors become the haunting stage for the fairy love between Heathcliff and Catherine Earnshaw. Their passion is fierce, defiant, and destructive, binding them together. Even as pride, jealousy, and social divide tear them apart, Catherine's choice to marry for status settles Heathcliff, driving him into a storm of vengeance that consumes generations. Yet beneath the cruelty lies a love too wild to be tamed, echoing through the moat with tragic beauty.
Why did you leave me?
Why did you betray your own?
Where is the obstacle? Here. Made of. Isn't mine not the same?
This timeless tale of obsession, betrayal, and longing proves that some lovers are destined to burn even beyond death. 20 years later, the Bone Temple.
Look at the incredible changes. Survived. Are still to come.
Humanity still reels from decay or infection and ruin. Survivors cling to fragile hope as a new horror rise. On the mainland, Spike is drawn into the ruthless gang of Jimmy Crystal, where loyalty means bloodshed. Meanwhile, brilliant but haunted Dr. Kelson uncovers a terrifying secret that could change the fate of the world or destroy it entirely.
We may have diseases and the whole world will cease to make. Look at the incredible changes we've experienced.
As alliances fracture and the infected evolve into something even more monstrous, the struggle for survival becomes a battle of faith, science, and sheer will. The Bone Temple awaits promising salvation or annihilation. Crime 101 2026.
You tell him I see you again in the book. Man.
I'm having a Mustang when I was a kid.
Steve McQueen.
You ever see the Thomas Crown?
An elusive thief plans one last daring heist along California's iconic 101 freeway, hoping to secure freedom with a final score. His path collides with a disillusioned insurance broker caught at her own crossroads, and together they navigate temptation, trust, and betrayal. Serving them is a relentless detective determined to stop the multi-million-dollar crime before it unfolds. As tension builds, alliances blur, and choice carry dangerous consequences. What begins as a simple plan spreads into a gripping battle of wits where survival means risking everything for love, redemption, or the perfect crime. Greenland 2 Migration 2026.
An extinction level event. The greatest chance of survival are the bunkers in Greenland.
Because we're always going to be together. Everybody says that this is the new normal. For those we've lost.
The Getty family emerged from the safety of the Greenland bunker after surviving the Comet-class devastating strike. The world outside is frozen, shattered, and paralyzed. Yet hope drives them forward, forced to leave behind shelter. They embark on a dangerous journey across the ruined wasteland of Europe, searching for a new home. Along the way, they face hunger, hostile survivors, and the unforgiving element, but their bond and resilience keep them moving. Their migration becomes not just a fight for survival, but a testament to love, courage, and humanity will to rebuild. Mercy 2026. Detective Raymond finds himself accused of murdering his wife in a near-future world ruled by artificial intelligence. Once a champion of the advanced AI justice system, he now stands trial before Judge Maddox, a machine he helped empower. With only 90 minutes to prove his innocence, Raymond races against time, unraveling secrets, betrayal, and the chilling truth about the system he trusted. As evident twist and loyalty fracture, he must confront whether mercy can exist in a world governed by algorithm or if humanity itself is on trial. Sandhelp 2026. So, colleagues,